So good morning. I am going to be helping all you mechanics out there, technicians, and anybody else that just likes tools and everything or needs tools. Save some money out here. I don't think a lot of people know, but I think a lot of people do know, but not a lot of people think about it all the time, because when you need something, you just go ahead and you go buy it. So just to save a little bit of money, what I do when I buy tools, because I lose tools like all the time. So I have to buy tools like all the time. Sometimes buying them, new can be a little bit too much. So but here's a way to get some nice tools, good quality, and also for a good price. So what I do is liquidation stores, pawn stores typically that are located by dealerships. So right now I am at a liquidation store. I'm gonna get up in here and I'm gonna see what I can find and get some stuff to myself, and I'll let you know what I have. I'm getting over here. Roby, Milwaukee. Alright. Don't mind the dirty truck. Just got done working not too long ago. But here is what I scooped up today. As you can see, this was $35. He gave me some free Sharpies. I got a cover for my gun. I think that was like 35 bucks. Cover for the gun goes down there, but yeah, another Sharpie. Got this here, 50 bucks. 50. This retails for about like 99 at Home Depot. So Ford's battery, 200 bucks. I'll show the receipt. 200 bucks if you don't believe me. And then yeah, that's what I got. So, and then I got a free bag. Look at that. So I'm walking into the value pawn. It's a lot around Florida, also in Atlanta. So I'm in Florida right now. So I'm about to go in here and see what they have. And everything I'm already going to my destination. So check here. Alright, so here's some good finds. They have $55. They have the Mac. Got some wrenches for $150. And these are snap-on wrench. They have a snap-on wrench set. These are ratcheting wrench. As you can see, ratcheting wrench, $180. Some other Mac drill bits. And they got Mac, another drill bits. Somebody must have been giving away their Mac box. Mac. Some Stanley. They got the snap-on ratchet that looks like a half-inch, going for $100. Got another one going for $140. Ratchet set. So they're selling it together with the torque wrench. But if you peep that torque wrench back there, it's an electric one. They got some more Matco wrenches. So they got a Mac 475. It's torque wrench. And a Mac set here. This is a nice set. I have a Blue Point set like this though. Okay, I have a puller, bearing puller set, $160. A Mac. Another one of the Torx and Allen. Got some stubby ones down there too. I have this set, so that's 92 snap-on. I think it is. Yep, snap-on. I'm missing a couple of those though, so that'll be good for me. Mac. I have a little gun here, a gun. Some sockets down there too, I believe. Those are like 3H drive, most likely. Allen set. Matco, sorry about that. Matco, 80 bucks. Snap-on. So they got the tap and die set over there, $150. So that's some good stuff right there. Walk to the other side. Okay, most of these guns I don't really too much care about because there's going to be excessive drills. There's a saturation of drills out here in the world. So they got a snap-on drill, 145. And they have Milwaukee drills. Oh, they got a snap-on impact driver kit. Come with the battery, 250. That thing looks freaking new. Besides the battery, but the freaking thing looks new. The body of it. Snap-on drill, $295. Naco, it's the gun I have, $195. I bought mine for like $3. Battery, charger, and they have $550 with the charger. This half-inch gun, and they have the 3. It's an electric gun, 300. 3. So, air jack. So if you were to be starting your own business right there, 70. You need an air jack, maybe $70. Then what I see here is, I walked down there, the row, I saw this welder. So they got the 2 Lincoln Electric welders. So, big welder, look at that. I think this one might be stick. No, it's not. So this one, Pro Mig, 135. What's the specs on it? How much is it? $123. Wow. Let's see. I'm trying to see if it's flux or gas. Yeah, it's flux. Then we have a whole bunch of small air compressors. These air compressors would be good to blow things out. I use all electric right now. They'd be good for like smaller stuff, smaller grinders. Up there, they have a Blue Point battery charger up there too. Thought I saw something in one of these tools, but yeah. So this has this old school scanner. It says primary cartridge for GM, Chrysler, Ford, Asian vehicles through 1993. So some old school stuff. But I didn't see, is a socket set there? Matco. There's some sockets, good 3/8 socket set. Not bad. They have the digital motor meter over there. That kind of looks interesting. Kind of want that. And that's good too. You're doing bearings and stuff like that, and we'll measure. Matco actually. It's a Matco tool. Little mini jump box. Oh, look at that. They have a battery tester with the ticket print. Alrighty, so here's what I picked up. Here's my receipt. I spent $5.95, 28. Got this quarter ratchet here. Got a 3/8 ratchet here. And then I got a digital multimeter here. Actually, I made sure all these work too before I left out of there. So that's that one. This is the basic though, not the advanced one. So that's that. And then I ended up going ahead and getting the torque wrench. I tested it out and everything, so it works. So look at that. So come with the case and everything. So $300 on that. They gave me a deal. Also, they had a little sale going on since it's like Christmas time and everything. So $5.95 for these 4, pretty much. Alrighty, so let's take a look at everything that I got here. So I'll go ahead and state the prices. $200, and then put the retail, and then $225. That was the 3/8. So it was on sale. That pawn shop had an extra 25% off on everything. So lucky me. So $225. Supposed to have been $300. We have the digital multimeter here. The digital multimeter was $168, $175. As you see, the half inch 9-piece Milwaukee, $35. Then this here, $50. That's what I got it for. Retail $99. 2 ratchets here. I got one of them for $90, one of them for $70. So $90, $70 ratchets. Some nice ratchets too. Pretty clean too. Tooth, everything works well. The BOGO is, I guess, bonus. It's the free markers and the free bag. This is where my 1-inch gun is gonna actually sit. I'm gonna carry it like a purse. So yeah, that is what I got. So like I said, from the pawn shop, spending on this here, number 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Like I said, those 4 things cost me $595.28. I bet if I would have spent that, like I said, I'm gonna put the price. We'll look over that, and then this 1, 2. Oh yeah, and the gun cover, just the cover, that too. And then this 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those stuff there. The 4 things I got from there, that was like, I think $328, $338. I can't remember. I'll put it up. So that's how much I spent on everything. So you can see the savings and everything that I saved versus going and buying them retail. That was a savings right there. So always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, support the channel. Super thanks, comment. Anything helps. We're getting into a new year, so I wish everybody a good new year. So that's coming up. Thank you.